dope. What the hell was that? On today's episode of the Japbox Jacob Adventures, we head to Lorne with Exceed Limits, accompanied by a bunch of amazing and entertaining individuals. Custom. This is custom, look, it's even got a barcode on it.
Working, bro.
What the fuck? It has been about 4 years since I've been on a Great Ocean Road cruise, but Exceed Limits has definitely exceeded expectations and brought together an amazing band of enthusiasts to enjoy their cars on a nice Sunday drive. I wish I was doing rollers right now, because this would be sick. What the hell was that? What the hell is a barrel in the middle of the road? So we've arrived at the first stop. We are right here at lovely Banks BP at the truck stop. As you can see, we've got a lot of matching cars. We've got ND MX-5s, we've got an NB MX-5 as well, GR86s, an R33, which I think is the only 33 Skyline here, but we've also got a four-door sedan, which I'll show you. So this is Angel's car, the R34 four-door. It looks like a V-spec style rear with the probably JDM sides, I believe. Also Cosmos wheels. I haven't seen these in a while. They actually fit really well. They're kind of like color match with the grey to the grey of the body. Also, one thing I should say is this went from being our cruise to a Mario Kart in a moment with that barrel on the road, so that was quite funny. So we've all been given the address at the moment, which means that we're not going to get left behind, and when we get to Angel Sea Garden, we're going to be chilling over there, which is about the halfway point between here and Lorne. That's Frank. Let's go! Everyone's gonna get through in one massive go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And it's gonna merge here soon, isn't it? Being out here with all these different types of builds, car enthusiasts as well, it is an absolute pleasure to be able to hang out with so many amazing people. For example, the guys in the Lancer that they've been using as a camera car, and also the guys behind it are so kind to talk to and very funny, and it just adds a bit of extra character to the group. The 400Z, the owner is really kind, easy to talk to, and we both have a love for the Z platform and Roadster platform as well. So yeah, it just goes to show, like, so many amazing and like-minded people get together to go on an amazing adventure. We are just vibing, having a good time, and that's what it's all about. How much parking we're going to have. It looks like it's going to be pretty packed. Oh, we've got Ross with his RX-8 going in too.
See you later. There they go! Yeah! See you later. Bye. I am absolutely drained. It has been a big day. I started out today surviving off one energy drink and no breakfast to just eating about an hour ago. So the energy is starting to pick back up, but at least I'll get back home nice, safe and sound and get to relax and rest. Whew. Anyway, got a bit of a hike. I'll see you guys later. Bye.